Just a quick video, thought I'd pull the side off the Style CNC 60 watt mopa 5 laser and see how neatly everything's wired and confirm that it's JP2 laser source, all that jazz. Everything looks really well done, nice and neat, all the connections are pretty much perfect. Really happy. I have seen videos of some of these with silicone and everything. Been a bit of a mess, but this seems to be very tidy. All the wires, all the connections. Very good, very happy. Neat. Good job. And this is for the switches for the rotary, etc. Yeah, and the laser source. Happy chappy. Nice and neat electrical. That's what I wanted to see. Very good.